Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I used to play outside.
I used to play outside.
I used to like milk.
I used to like milk.
I used to wake up early.
I used to wake up early.
I used to ride a bike.
I used to ride a bike.
I used to read comics.
I used to read comics.
I used to live here.
I used to live here.
I used to watch cartoons.
I used to watch cartoons.
I used to go to school.
I used to go to school.
I used to help my mom.
I used to help my mom.
I used to eat candy.
I used to eat candy.
I used to draw pictures.
I used to draw pictures.
I used to sing songs.
I used to sing songs.
I used to play games.
I used to play games.
I used to sleep late.
I used to sleep late.
I used to run fast.
I used to run fast.
I used to drink juice.
I used to drink juice.
I used to be shy.
I used to be shy.
I used to love toys.
I used to love toys.
I used to climb trees.
I used to climb trees.
I used to play football.
I used to play football.
I used to read books.
I used to read books.
I used to write stories.
I used to write stories.
I used to watch TV.
I used to watch TV.
I used to play with dolls.
I used to play with dolls.
I used to eat ice cream.
I used to eat ice cream.
I used to cry easily.
I used to cry easily.
I used to laugh a lot.
I used to laugh a lot.
I used to stay home.
I used to stay home.
I used to visit Grandma.
I used to visit Grandma.
I used to play indoors.
I used to play indoors.
I used to take naps.
I used to take naps. I
used to go swimming.
I I used to go swimming.
I used to fly kites.
I used to fly kites.
I used to play cricket.
I used to play cricket.
I used to walk to school.
I used to walk to school.
I used to wear shorts.
I used to wear shorts.
I used to collect stickers.
I used to collect stickers.
I used to draw animals.
I used to draw animals.
I used to love rain.
I used to love rain.
I used to jump a lot.
I used to jump a lot.
I used to share toys.
I used to share toys.
I used to eat fruits.
I used to eat fruits.
I used to drink milk daily.
I used to drink milk daily.
I used to play hide and seek.
I used to play hide and seek.
I used to smile more.
I used to smile more.
I used to talk less.
I used to talk less.
I used to fear dogs.
I used to fear dogs.
I used to watch movies.
I used to watch movies.
I used to read aloud.
I used to read aloud.
I used to sleep early.
I used to sleep early.
I used to play with friends.
I used to play with friends.
I used to love stories.
I used to love stories.
I used to draw cartoons.
I used to draw cartoons.
I used to color books.
I used to color books.
I used to write neatly.
I used to write neatly.
I used to sit quietly.
I used to sit quietly.
I used to follow rules.
I used to follow rules.
I used to listen well.
I used to listen well.
I used to enjoy school.
I used to enjoy school.
I used to pack my bag.
I used to pack my bag.
I used to eat slowly.
I used to eat slowly.
I used to talk loudly.
I used to talk loudly.
I used to play daily.
I used to play daily.
I used to to help teachers.
I used to help teachers.
I used to carry books.
I used to carry books.
I used to drink water often.
I used to drink water often.
I used to wear a uniform.
I used to wear a uniform.
I used to love mornings.
I used to love mornings.
I used to enjoy games.
I used to enjoy games.
I used to draw every day.
I used to draw every day.
I used to learn fast.
I used to learn fast.
I used to run daily.
I used to run daily.
I used to play in parks.
I used to play in parks.
I used to be active.
I used to be active.
I used to eat breakfast.
I used to eat breakfast.
I used to listen to music.
I used to listen to music.
I used to sing softly.
I used to sing softly.
I used to trust easily.
I used to trust easily.
I used to follow my mom.
I used to follow my mom.
I used to play after school.
I used to play after school.
I used to enjoy learning.
I used to enjoy learning.
I used to practice daily.
I used to practice daily.
I used to learn English.
I used to learn English.
I used to enjoy cartoons.
I used to enjoy cartoons.
I used to help at home.
I used to help at home.
I used to read daily.
I used to read daily.
I used to love my school.
I used to love my school.
I used to clean my room.
I used to clean my room.
I used to love books.
I used to love books.
I used to dream big.
I used to dream big.
I used to enjoy life.
I used to enjoy life.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.